Hi, Kevin with IQ Power Tools. We're here on the job site with our latest offering. This is our 252 bridge saw. Like all of our tools, it's a dry cut machine, no water, dust effective capture. Also, we have like all of our tools, it's an integrated vacuum system, filter system, and dust containment. 12 pounds of dust down here in the bottom. As you can see, the dust carriage tracks the saw wherever it goes, so you have constant dust control on this machine. It's 52-inch length of cut. It does have our push meter that we have integrated on a lot of our tools to tell you if you're green, you're good, yellow, you're okay. You get into the red, you need to slow down your cut. We have a variety of blades available for different materials, and we're constantly developing new blades for this machine. The beauty of this, like you all know, is the large format. Everything's getting larger and larger. So we tried to take a couple things into consideration with this saw. It's 52-inch length of cut, and by doing that, there's a majority of the tile that comes at 48, but it lends itself to being able to put in the back of most pickup trucks to transport, which we felt was important for the contractor. It has removable extension tables on both sides that can be taken on and off, moved up and down wherever they should need to be, and they store neatly down below. It is transportable, up, down, wheels on the back. So yeah, it's really well designed. I know you've been waiting, and there's been some changes to make it even better. The beauty is a 10-inch blade, 1-inch depth of cut, and it will do the miters from 0 to 45 degrees. The head merely do the ends, and it tilts over. And while it's tilted, the dust carriage follows the cut as well. So excited to get this out for you people, but if you've used the wet version, you know it can be challenging to corral the water into an area where it doesn't make a mess. This is really neat. Like all of the tools, you don't need the water.